Welcome, guys. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, then you've come to not only the right place, but the place. Guys, take a minute right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you share this live stream on your own social media channels. We're streaming live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Welcome everyone that's joining us on the different networks. Guys, True Trading Group is the fastest growing and highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal, and that is to learn, trade, and profit together. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free on this YouTube channel, where myself and other TTG Pro Trader moderators and special guests will share golden nuggets and free lessons on education that can help you guys become a better and more profitable trader. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader. I'm now the current head trader at True Trading Group, and along with my team of 6 other pro trader moderators, we cover all different styles of trading: swing trading, day trading, options, advanced options, shorting, long-term investing. There's literally something for everyone in TTG, regardless of your trading style or your experience level. Now, guys, like I said, I started my career working at a fund. I didn't have to fish through YouTube channels to try to learn how to trade. I was very lucky. I was very fortunate that my first job was at a fund in New York, 2007. Right out of college, my first job. Then 2008 happened, the great stock market crash, the housing crisis, the Great Recession. But I went on to thrive in that environment, guys, receiving actually the Trader of the Year award from the firm in 2008. But before I was able to touch one single dollar of their money, I had to go through a training program that set me on the path to become the trader that I am today. I've since simplified that curriculum. I've paired it with the top tools and resources available to traders today, and I've made it all available there for my TTG family members. All right. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed or not, but my tone is a little off right now. I usually come on here. I'm usually all excited and energetic. I'm screaming AO, and I'm happy to be on here. So don't worry. It's not just in your head. My tone actually is different. I'm sure you guys saw the thumbnail, and I'm frustrated today. I'm frustrated today, not about like a losing trade or a personal issue. But wait, that's not exactly true. It is kind of personal. It is kind of personal. We're going to get into that after the Q&A. So I want you guys to stick around. I want you guys to stick around. If you value what I say and the topics and the things that I go over on these live streams, especially if you guys are a member, I want you guys to stick around if you value some of the things that I have to say, because there are some things that I want to be discussing with you guys here today on this live stream. All right. Before I do get things started, I want to find out who here is on the live stream. It's your very first time. If this is your first time on a live stream or you're not a member of True Trading, go ahead and type the letter I in chat right now. All right, we got Janika B, I Kings, Andy Vanderwerf, Letitia Harris, Fritz Hornbogen, Chris Carmichael, Tina Dubb, Jim Kohler, I Dirt Junkie, James Brown. Nice. Really nice. Who else we got? Michael Petit. We got Vic Gotra. Yeah, what can we do to cheer you up? We're going to talk about it, guys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We're going to talk about it. Well, listen, seriously, for those of you that are brand new, you're about to get a crash course in what it means to trade for real. Okay, TTG is all truth, no BS, no fluff. All right, stick around on this live. I guarantee you guys will learn something. All right, and listen, seriously, don't take my tone personal. Don't take my tone personal. You'll see why right after the Q&A. I want to give people some time to log on and to join us on the stream. All right. So tonight's live stream is going to go down as follows. We're going to start things off with a 20-minute Q&A. We're going to go into the weekly recap, what went on in the markets this week, and then we're going to get into it. What is it? What is it that has my tone so different here today as we start the weekend? All right. So let's start things off first with the Q&A session. Let's not waste any more minutes. This is your time to ask me questions. I want you guys to go ahead, start typing your questions right there in chat. And we're going to go ahead now and begin that Q&A. Go ahead, guys. Type your questions right in chat. Ask them. Fire away. I'm here for you. Type your questions right in chat. Adam, who is my partner in True Trading Group, he's going to grab them. He's the producer on these live streams. He's going to grab those questions. He's going to throw them up on the screen so we can all see them. We're going to answer them all together. Lindsay Simmons says, do you teach technical analysis? Sorry, Adam. Lindsay Simmons says, do you teach technical analysis? Lindsay, I teach you the most professional form of technical analysis you've probably ever seen. I will teach you guys how to identify A setups, B setups, and C setups. The whole thing about being a trader, trading is not about being right or wrong, because nobody can predict what a stock is going to do. You can use information to give your best, your best guess at what you think the stock is going to do, but nobody knows for sure. Like, you could be convinced that BTX is going to $65 right now. But there's not a trader on the planet that if I made a bet with them and I said, okay, are you willing to bet your entire net worth that BTX goes to $65? Are you willing to bet your entire net worth that goes to 65? There's not a trader on this planet that would take that bet. Not one. You might think the SPY is going to bounce on Monday. You might think the SPY is going to go back to 419. Are you willing to bet your entire net worth that it goes back to 419? Well, why? Why not? If you know that BTX is going to go to 65, if you know the SPY is going to bounce back to 419, then why not double up your net worth real quick? It's because you don't know. That's why there's not a trader in the world that would take that bet. But ask any trader, hey, are you willing to bet your entire net worth that you can correctly answer this question, what's 2 + 2? Every trader in the world would take that bet. Why? Because I know with 100% certainty the answer is 4. Okay, so if we know that trading is not about necessarily being right or wrong, because nobody knows for sure what a stock is going to do, that means that it must be based on probability. So if it's based on probability, then it's going to be our job as traders to use our technical analysis to say, this is an A quality setup. An A quality setup is maybe going to work itself out in one particular price direction 70 to 75% of the time. A B setup, maybe 60, 65% of the time. And a C setup is probably a 50-50 coin flip. I will teach you guys how to use multiple indicators in conjunction with one another. You need to understand how do different indicators work together to help you identify if a setup is A, B, or C quality. Because ideally, you want to just find and be patient enough to identify the A setups and put yourself on the right side of that probability over and over and over again. That's what trading is all about. That is what I will teach you guys in True Trading Group. There's beginner and foundation courses. If you've never traded stock a day in your life, it starts you off from square one. And there's also advanced courses for those people that have already been trading and are already profitable, but are looking to take their trading to the next level. How you select your stocks before market, how you know the stock will be great. So pre-market, we go through a pre-market scan. We have a scanner that is part of your membership in True Trading Group that shows you what stocks are gapping up the most, what stocks have unusual volume, what stocks are making new highs. That's all included with your membership, by the way. And every morning we publish on our website a watch list. These are the stocks that are, for whatever the reason, there's maybe a press release, there's news on the company or the sector, or the stock is breaking above or below a major level. But for whatever the reason, it is on our watch list. And we publish that on the website for you guys to be able to follow along and identify, what it is that we're focusing on. And then also in chat every day, we're on the microphone telling you pre-market, what's the game plan. These are the stocks we're watching. This is why. This is what we expect them to do. So you guys have a very clear and concise game plan once the market opens. The stocks that I select will be ones that are gapping up the most, that have much higher than average volume, and some type of fundamental catalyst behind that, get pre-market action, and have a good looking setup on the daily chart. So you're, a stock that is going to be maybe gapping above a major resistance level or has a bullish looking setup on the daily chart is how I'm going to start to build and develop my watch list. How to make money when stocks are trading sideways. Find other stocks that are not trading sideways. Honestly, I know that sounds like I'm like a smart ass answer, but I'm being serious. There's always opportunity somewhere in the market. Now, if you're talking about like if the markets are trading sideways, how can you make money? There's different advanced option strategies where you can make money from a sideways market. Like iron condors is an option strategy that you can put on that takes advantage of like premium burns on option contracts, like people that are buying options thinking a stock is going to move, but it doesn't. So you can actually make money on that. But those are advanced option strategies. I assume that that's not what you're asking me right now. But just know that there are different advanced option strategies that if a stock goes sideways, you will profit from. We teach that in the advanced option courses on our website. There's different iron condors and other things that are on there that are part of that course where you guys can learn how to implement that type of trading style. But that's for more advanced traders. If you're a newbie or you're just starting out and you're very inexperienced, I wouldn't even worry about that kind of stuff because that's a little bit more of an advanced option strategy. But if you're looking at one particular stock and it's like it's going sideways, like how can I make money if the stock's going sideways? You've got to be diversified enough to find opportunity elsewhere. You've got to be diversified enough to say, okay, I like this, and look at other stocks because there will be opportunity somewhere. You just have to be able to identify. And this is where trading in a group is really beneficial. Guys, like trading in a group, like True Trading Group, it's not just me and moderators helping other people become better traders. Our members also help me become a better trader because I can't look at 1,000 stocks all at the same time. I only got 2 eyeballs. Okay. So for me, the thought process is if I can teach as many traders as I can what to look for. Okay. Like, okay, what do I do? What do I look for? If I can teach other members other traders how to do exactly that, that's going to make me a better trader. Because maybe I'm looking at this stock, this stock, this, and I don't see anything that I like, but somebody else finds an opportunity and finds a setup and goes, hey, Mike, take a look at XYZ. This looks really good. And I'll pull it up and be like, wow, you know what, Nancy, that's actually a really great looking setup. Great eye. And now all of a sudden I've got myself a really good setup and I can trade that. I can make money on it when I otherwise would not have been able to have traded it because I wouldn't have even been looking at that stock if Nancy didn't bring it to my attention. That's the whole point of trading in a group. It's not to stroke each other's egos. It's not to be like, hey guys, follow my trades. Look how good I am. Like, no, that's not the whole point of being in a trading group. Being in a trading group is so that you can be part of a community that's going to make each other better, where it's going to be a community that supports one another because we all are going through the same things. Like if you're having a tough time with your trading the last couple of days, other traders know what that feels like. Other traders have been there. They've been through it. They've overcome it. And having that type of support is very, 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 very important when it comes to trading because trading is a very lonely profession. If you trade on your own for a living, you're by yourself. So this is where becoming, trading part of a group, I think is very beneficial. What advice do you have for someone with under 25K in his account to maximize their 3 trades per week? Couple of things. You can do more than 3 trades a week because you can also swing trade. That's number one. Okay. Don't disregard swing trading. All right. If you guys have less than 25K in your account, you can also swing trade. You can swing trade as much as you want. We have traders in True Trading Group that specialize solely in swing trading. Okay. Where that's all they do is swing trade. And that's what a swing trade is you're buying a stock today, you're selling it tomorrow or any day thereafter. So I would tell you to focus on swing trading as well. The other thing is that if you're under 25K, you could avoid PDT rule, which For those that don't know, that might be new to trading, PDT rule is if you have less than 25K in your account and you're on a margin account, you can only make 3-day trades in a 5-day period. I'm watching this BTX as we are doing this live stream, and I have such an urge to jump back into my light speed and trade it. I have such an urge. I can't. There's no way I can trade a stock that volatile while I'm actually trying to talk to you guys. That stock is something that requires 1,000% focus. But it's actually moving right now after hours. So what I was saying was, so you can make 3-day trades, which means you're buying today, you're selling today. You can do that 3 times in a 5-day period if you have a margin account. To get around that, you can switch to a cash account. Now, the cash account, you'll only be able to trade with the cash that's in your account. You're not going to be able to have extra buying power, which is what a margin account is, but you're not bound to PDT rule. So like, let's say you're someone, you might have $5,000, $7,000, or $10,000 in your account, which is a good chunk of change that you can trade with. You don't need to be bound by PDT rule. You can just switch to a cash account. Okay. Now, if you're someone that has like $500 in their account, then I would say go with the margin account. And also, I would say to learn how to trade options as well. If you have a small account, trading options is a fantastic way for people to grow small accounts, but they do also carry some higher risk. So make sure you guys understand how to trade options before you begin trading them. Guys, I strongly advise you go through the option courses that are available on the website as part of the TGD curriculum. What's the best entry in, let me make this bigger. What is the best entry in stock? Bounce off support or anticipated a support level to hold? One's not better than the other. Okay. One is not better than the other. Okay. There are certain scenarios, there are certain setups where I will anticipate support holding. There's other setups that I will wait for support to show its face. Me waiting for that, yeah, there goes BTX, guys. BTX just got to 63. The quality of the overall setup is going to make that decision for me. So if I have an A+ quality setup, like I'm looking at the chart and I'm saying to myself, there's literally not a single thing that I can do to make this a better setup. I might anticipate that support level holding. If there is something that I'm looking at the setup, I'm saying, hey, this is a great setup, but maybe there's one thing that could be a little bit better. That situation, maybe I would wait a little bit. I'd be a little bit more patient, and I would wait for the support level to show its face. So it really, really depends on the setup, on whether I anticipate the support level holding or if I wait for it to show its face. TGG is not a one-trick pony. We trade in all types of market conditions. That is very, very true. Get it, Judy. Get it, girl. Judy is trading BTX right now as we are. Judy is our first TTG apprentice, by the way. Judy is our first TTG apprentice, by the way, guys. We have an apprentice program where we breed TTG members to become TTG moderators. And we've already brought on 2 of our former members that have become now full-time moderators, and that is Momin and that is Glenny. 2 fantastic traders, and proud to be part now of the TTG family as moderators. And Judy is our first TTG apprentice who may become our first female moderator. And she's trading BTX right now with that education. Get it, girl. Get it, Judy. I am a fishing guide by trade, and TTG is teaching me how to fish. TTG certified last night, up 25% today. Yes. Now we're talking. TTG certified. Congratulations. That's a hell of an accomplishment, getting TTG certified, Brad. Great job, man. And then up 25% on your account today. That's sick. That is sick. Congratulations. Keep it up. How do you trade after hours? Chris Rocker, you just got to make sure that your broker has that ability, and you got to make sure that feature is turned on in your account. So all you got to just contact your broker and say, hey, I want to trade pre-market or after hours. And they've got to enable that capability on your account. When you mentioned push when you're hot, is there a rule of thumb like no more than 2 to 3x your risk tolerance? The times I've recently pushed when hot, I gave back profits with too much size. The problem, Zeus, is right there, brother. 2 to 3 times your risk tolerance. That's pushing. That's not pushing. That's stumbling over yourself and falling down the stairs. That's way too big. So, like, let's say your normal risk is $1,000 per trade. If you're, I'm just for easy math, just for like easy math example purposes. If your risk is $1,000 per trade and you start to get hot, you can't start risking 2,500. That's way too big of a jump, because all it's going to take is 3 losing trades and you have completely wiped out all of your profit that you experienced when you were trading with $1,000 risk. Because don't forget, if you're trading with $1,000 risk, okay, your winners are going to be, you know, call it $1,500, $2,000 when you're right on some of these trades. So you can't then just say, well, now I'm going to start risking 2,500. It's too big of a jump. So for me, when I'm hot, okay, and I start to push, the max that I get up to is probably like 1.5 times my risk. You know, so like if you were risking, you know, $1,000 a trade, then when you're pushing, you should be risking like 1,500 a trade. You know, you don't want to go and you're risking $2,000-$3,000 a trade. That's way too big of a jump. Like if I went from risking 5,000, then, you know, when I push, I'll start to risk 6, 7. You know, I don't go from 5 to risk 15. You know, it's just way too big of a jump. And that's why like you'll eventually just wipe out your profit because your position size is so big. You've got to work your way up there slowly. It's like, you know, it's like if you're playing blackjack, right? It's like you're playing $100 a hand, you win $100, you play again, you win $100, you play again, you win $100, and you're like, you know what? Hell with this. Let's bet 500. You lose one time, that's it. You're wiped out. You're down $200. You won 300, but now you 3 hands, 100, 100, 100. You're like, wow, this is great. That's 3 in a row. Let's bet 500. Then you lose. Now you're down $200. That's what you're doing. Okay, that's what you're doing. So that's too much. Okay, I would say look for like that 1.5 times. Oh, that's sick. That is awesome. Oh, the Crotcho. Yes, I saw your message in chat, but you had logged out already by the time I read it. I did see your message in chat, and I went to congratulate you, but you had already left chat. Congratulations, guys. Big congratulations to the Catraco 7 has just gotten out of PDT rule. That is an amazing accomplishment. Congratulations. Sky is the limit. Congratulations. Went back to courses and watched Red to Green, feeling motivated to trade. 240% gains on Tesla options today. Your advice on risk was gold, Mike. Thank you. Jonathan Batista, that is a sick trade, man. 240% gain on some Tesla options. Congratulations. That's amazing. Great job. Really great job. Hey, I was stopped out on several day trades today, but it's all good because you teach stop losses. Risk to reward to skewed is in our favor, and the stop losses keep our losses minimal. Yeah, Boris, it's true, man. Like controlling your losers is more important, honestly, than maximizing your winners. Seriously. You know, it's like you really want to make sure you live to fight another day. You know, like you really want to make sure that you live to fight another day. You live to make another trade. You guys, there's always going to be another stock that is moving. Always. There's always going to be another BTX. There's always going to be another Tesla. There's going to be another VXRT. There's going to be another MVIS. There's always going to be another one. There will always be another one. So you guys have to just make sure that you're not blowing yourself up. You're not blowing yourself up when you do have a couple of these losing trades. Man, this BTX is really starting to look good, guys. If anyone's trading BTX after hours, I'd watch that $60 level, 59.50. We broke through it. You have a little pullback right now. It's holding above that. If this thing stays above 59.50, you could maybe see this after hour squeeze take you up to 65, 70 bucks. But BTX looks pretty good right now. So I would look for 59.50, guys, as a potential support area. 59.50, 59.40. I mean, obviously you got to give or take some wiggle room because this is a really volatile stock and it's after hours, which makes it even more volatile than what it would be during market hours. But I think BTX looks pretty good right now. Made profits today following a swing trade from Jay. Nice. Canyon Ridge. Great job, man. Really great job. Yeah, like I said, that's the thing. True Trading Group, guys, it's not just me. We got 6 other pro trader moderators that are in chat trading with us. All have different specialties, different styles of trading, whether it's swing trading options or swing trading stocks, day trading options, longer term investing, shorting, advanced option strategies. Guys, we do all of it so the moderators are me, Jay Downing. You got Jason Spatafora, the Wolf. You got Momin, Glenny, Jason Simmons, Chris Toner. We all have our own different styles and niches that we kind of specialize in. That's why there's something for everybody in TTG. And you guys have access to all of us throughout the day, and you will learn all of these different trading styles and strategies because honestly, I feel like it's important when someone's trying to learn how to do this, that they kind of get a feel and they get an understanding and an education on the different types of styles of trading that there is, because one trading style that works for somebody else might work for them, but not for you, and that's why, when we kind of built the moderator team at True Trading Group, that we made sure that it was a diverse group of traders so that there is different trading styles for members to kind of feed off of, so that, maybe my trading style doesn't work for you, or maybe the Wolf's trading style doesn't work for you. But maybe Glenny's or Momin's or Jay Downing's is perfect, so that's why we do that. That's why we have so many different types of styles. Can us newcomers get some background on you and your yeah, of course. Of course. So I guess you might have just jumped on and just logged on. For anyone that's kind of just joining the stream, or maybe this is your first time on the live stream, my name is Michael. Okay. I began my career working at a hedge fund in New York City. It's my very first job right out of college, 2007. And that is where I learned how to trade. I didn't figure trading out on my own. I wasn't like sitting in my mom's basement for 3 years and like figured out some, special pattern or anything like that. That's not how I learned how to trade. I was taught how to trade by professionals as my very first job at a college. Before they let me trade, when I first got hired, I had to go through a training program at the fund where literally for the first 3 months of my employment, every day I sat in a classroom style type of setting where different traders and analysts at the firm would come in and teach us different topics. And that went on for a couple months. And that all took place before they let me trade even $1 of their money. And it makes you think. Like if a fund on Wall Street is not going to let their employees touch their money until they go through a training and they get an education, why would you touch $1 of your money without going through a training and getting an education? Makes you think a little bit, right? So just another little fun fact. In 2008, the Great Recession, the market crashed. I received one of the Trader of the Year awards from the firm. I consider myself a traditional day trader that also swing trades. I mostly trade stocks, but I also do trade options. I'm a very diverse trader. I do small caps, mid caps, large caps. Like just today, I traded BTX, a wild and crazy small cap. I made some money on SPY put options. I'm short Peloton. I nailed Tesla short yesterday. Like, you know, I trade everything. But I'm predominantly a traditional day trader. I'm not a scalper. My day trades last several minutes to several hours long. And I'm like a short-term swing trader. So my swing trades only last a couple of days to maybe a couple of weeks. I don't do like multi-week, like 4-week, 3-4 week or 2 month swing trades. That's not my style. All right, I'll take a couple more questions, guys. Maybe 1 or 2 more questions. Member since Tuesday. Thanks to THD staff. I made back my membership and I'm just starting to learn. Thanks all. Chuck E, that is absolutely incredible, man. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. I love it. I love seeing you. You know, you've only been a member for a couple of days and you're already learning and already made back your membership fee. That's incredible. This is just the beginning, though. Just the beginning. Great job. Thanks, Mike and all THD family. I made about 30% gain into my account. That's amazing. Plus, I subscribed to my son, Lewis Jr., as I want him to start learning and pass all the exams. I'm very grateful. Lewis, that is absolutely amazing, man. I always say, a family that trades together stays together is what I say. That's incredible. Start him young. He'll thank you. He will thank you. He'll thank you. When it comes time for him to buy a house and he's just going to, you know, sell a couple of shares of some positions that he owns in his portfolio, he's going to thank you. That's awesome, man. Congrats. In with trial with TTG, loving it. Yes, yes. We'll be a member today. Welcome to the family. Yeah, you guys got to be a member today because don't forget, Sunday's the giveaway. You guys forget about that? Sunday's the giveaway. Okay, so if anyone that all you need to do is be a member of True Trading Group. That's it. If you're a member, then you can register for the giveaway on Sunday. This Sunday at 8:30 p.m. live Eastern on this YouTube channel, we are giving away $30,000 cash to one lucky TTG member or a brand new Tesla Model 3. The choice is yours. Whoever wins, you get to pick 30 grand cash, Tesla Model 3. Choice is yours. All you need to do is be a member of True Trading Group, and you guys can register for that giveaway. All right, that's going on right here this Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. All right. Let me just talk to you guys about the membership real quick because I see like somebody had just asked, hey, can I just pay for your live trading? And the answer to that is no. We don't have just partial memberships. So there's a couple people that are asking about the memberships. Let me explain to you guys a little bit before I get into that. You know, for all the people that are interested, I want you guys to just listen up real quick. I'll talk to you guys about the membership because a couple people were asking about it. My partner Adam is behind the scenes right now. He's the producer on these lives, who's the one who grabs these questions and throws them up there on the screen for you guys. He and I have been working on True Trading Group since we came up with the concept in 2014. We launched it like beta version privately, like end of 2016, and then to the public beginning of early 2017. We've been building the platform ever since. We work on this 12 to 15 hours a day minimum, guys, for our THD family members. Your membership to True Trading Group, I want you to think about it like Netflix. Okay, so like Netflix, you pay one membership price. You get access to every piece of content that Netflix has. TTG, same thing. You pay one price. You get access to every piece of content, every course, every tool, every resource, every feature that we have. Okay, our members get access to a professional 15-course curriculum. This is a simplified version of the education I learned that I worked at the fund. I've broken it down into beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, options trading, trader psychology, swing trading. The courses are in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. But you also get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. You get Quote Media's real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, and real-time options data feed. You get Trading Views Pro Plus charting software. You get ETNA's trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money. You also get access to the Trade Ideas scanner that shows you what stocks are making new highs, volume, helps you just identify what are the hottest stocks on the day. you get access to our chat room, which is honestly, it's unlike anything that you've ever experienced before. I guarantee it. It's not on Telegram. It's not WhatsApp. It's not Discord. Our chat is our own proprietary platform. It's an absolute game changer. The features and the things you are able to do in our chat room is absolutely insane. Just ask any of our members. Okay. Within the chat, we trade live. Okay. We trade live with you guys all day. We don't disappear 2 hours into the day and you're left to fend for yourselves. We're in the trenches with you all day, every day. Our collective win rate in chat on all of the moderators collectively is about 83% currently. We give guys access. We don't charge you to talk to us or to get advice or to ask questions. You pay one price, you get it all. We do live workshops and webinars every week. We do one-on-one mentor sessions. We do small private study groups. In May, we're going to be launching our brand new crypto course, which will be revealing our new full-time crypto trader or our crypto mod. Right now, we do not have a moderator that focuses only on crypto, but starting in May, we are going to be bringing on a crypto mod, and there will be crypto courses that are going to be involved with that. You also have our small account trading challenge that's going to be starting up in May as well. So basically what's going on in May, guys, as a THD member, you can register for our small account challenge. Now, everyone will be starting with $500 on our trade simulator. And at the end of the competition, there's going to be six winners. There's going to be first, second, and third place prize for our annual members. There'll be a first, second, and third place prize for our lifetime members. And then of those six winners, there will be crowned one overall small cap champion. The prize pool is $100,000 in cash. Okay, $100,000 in cash is the prize pool for that small account challenge. All you guys got to do is be a member to Trading Group, and you can register for that small account challenge. All right. We go above and beyond for our members. We do so many fun things with our members. We give away literally hundreds of thousands of dollars in cash prizes to our members. Every 300 members we give away a Tesla or 30 grand. That's happening this Sunday. And every 150 lifetime members we give away 50 grand or a Porsche to one lucky lifetime member. That's also happening this Sunday. So yes, you heard me correctly. Literally this Sunday, we are going to be giving away either a Porsche and a Tesla or $80,000 cash. 2 lucky THD members. One of them is going to get either 30 grand and a Tesla. The other is going to get either 50 grand and a Porsche. That's happening right here, Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. You guys, if you want to join the group, you've got to, if you want to be entered in that giveaway. So if you want a chance to win that giveaway, okay, you've got to be a member by Saturday at midnight. You've got to be a member Saturday at midnight. Okay. It's become like we do this almost 1 to 2 times a month, guys. We do this almost, it's like becoming like a reoccurring thing here for us now. All right. So again, these are just some of the fun stuff that we do with all of our members. Also, anyone that joins TTG gets a brand new laptop. It's going to be either an Asus, Acer, Lenovo, Dell, HP, or Chromebook laptop, whatever we've got in stock. Because honestly, we want to make sure, like True Trading Group, the reason why our platform like has all these resources, it's a platform. It's not like, hey, I'm just paying to get someone's trade alerts, although you do get all of our alerts live in real time. But we want to make sure you have the tools that you need to be a trader. Like you're going to need a couple things regardless of if you join True Trading Group or not. You're going to need a news feed. You're going to need level 2. You're going to need charting software. You're going to need a scanner. You're going to need a simulator if you want to practice. That's why all of those features are all included on the platform. You have all of that when you guys join TTG. And you're also going to need a computer. Okay. So that's why we've had so many people in the past, like they joined your trading group, but they have this like 10-year-old laptop. It's got all these viruses. It's slow. It crashes on them. You can't trade like that. So that's why everyone that joins, we give them a free laptop as well. All right. So you might be saying like, well, why do you guys, there it goes. Guys, so what level? I just want to, what price did I just say to watch BTX hold? Anybody want to repeat it? What price did I just say to watch BTX hold? Anybody want to repeat it? Anybody? Bueller? Great. Watch this. Let's pull up my chart for a second, And I want to just show you guys something. Let's go full screen. Would you look at what we have here? I told you guys this thing looks good. What price did I say? $59.50. $59.50. $59.50 is the winner. What do we have here, guys? What is the dead low of that candle pullback? You guys saw it here happen real time. Look at the top left of my screen. What's the low of that candle? $59.50 to the damn button. And what I said the stock could go to, $70. Where are we at now? $67.22. I hope you guys caught this. I'm so pissed that my Lightspeed account is not open right now because that was a beautiful entry. Ah! Judy, tell me you got it, Judy. Tell me you caught it, girl. Come on. I hope you guys nailed it. I gave it to you guys right here live, real time. I gave it to you guys live, real time. I said $59.50. That's the area. There's the low, $59.50. Stock just hit $67.50 right here as I'm talking to you guys live. Am I a magician? No. Am I psychic? No. I'm just educated. That's it. That's it. I'm a professional, and my teaching members are too. I didn't know for sure the stock was going to do this, but what I do know for sure is that the probability of the stock holding $59.50 and continuing higher based on the chart was very high. That's what I do know. That's what professional technical analysis is all about. You guys saw it happen right here. I said $59.50. I said this thing looks damn good. I said you guys want to watch that to get long. Watch for a move to 70. There's your entry. You guys could have caught, what is that, a $7 move? A $7 a share move already, just like that. I will show you guys how to do this. You saw me just call it out for you real time. I wish I could have traded it. Now we're at 68. Now the stock's at 68. Okay. Now it's at 68.75, 68.80, 69.66. Here comes 70, 69.78, 69.80. Give it to me. There's your $70, folks. Boom. There it is. There it is. I just said this. $59.50. It's going to 70. There it is. 70. So let's just recap. The low is $59.50. The high is $69.80. And that's it, folks. All right. There you guys have it. Okay. There you guys have it. I can teach you guys how to do this. You know, so literally, so what you all just experienced right now on this live as I'm talking to you is exactly what goes on in chat every day. So in chat every day, I'm talking on the microphone like I'm talking to you all now. And I'm saying, guys, watch $59.50. $59.50 support. I'm going to look to be a buyer. That's my support level. I want to be a buyer in front of $59.50. Stop loss around $59. We're going to look for this thing to push higher. First take profit 65. Second over, look for a push to 70. That what I said to you all here on this live stream in real time. You saw it happen. This is live. That's exactly what goes on a daily basis inside of chat. My TTG fam that are on this live stream. Yes or no? Am I telling the truth? Is that or is that not how it goes down in chat every day? So all of you that are not members, you just kind of got a little inside look to how it goes down in chat with us every day. My TTG fam are used to this. This is how we get down in chat every single day. Okay? This is how we get down in chat every single day. So congratulations, everyone that caught that BTX trade. As I'm talking to you guys, I'm talking to you guys through it right now as it's happening in real time. Okay. So there was some good volume on that push. There was some really good volume. You're talking almost 200,000 shares of volume through 65. That's a great, great, great volume push and extension through on that BTX. I think you can see this thing continue higher. I would definitely take a piece of profit off there in front of 70. If you want to hold on to 25% of your position or so, watch for another buyable entry, maybe in front of 65 on a pullback. If it's a lower volume pullback, I wouldn't get too greedy with it because it's very, very, very volatile after hours. But I think if you want to hold on to like 25% of your position and see if you can extend maybe to 72, I think that's a great idea. I think that's a very acceptable trade idea. This is what we do all day, every day, guys. We talk about it before we alert it. So remember when I came on the mic and I was talking to you before, and I do this is exactly what I do in chat. I talk to you before we alert it. We give you the tools, we give you the resources, we give you guys the access. This is what True Trading Group is all about. Okay? This is what it's all about. So, and there it is, $70.69, a new after hours high on BTX. So like I said, there you go. All right. There you guys have it. Congrats, guys. Brooke Butler joined last night and made her membership back today with BTX, guys. Nice. Celeste, is that your friend? Is Brooke your... Oh, wait, guys. I'm sorry. Wait, let me just go back to my chart real quick, because what did we literally just say? That I think it could go higher into 72, 73, and there's new high 73.44. There it is. Boom, boom. All right. So some of you guys might be wondering, like, why do we do this? Right? Like, why do we offer all of these things inside of True Trading Group? Well, the answer to that question requires me to first ask you a question. I want to know right now, how many people that are on this live stream, how many of you have been part of another group, you know, where you got courses, a chat room, the usual stuff. You were promised the world, but were only upsold constantly, nickel and dimed, always felt like success was just a couple $1,000s away if you bought some other service or product, and you just kept buying whatever it was that was promised until you make money. If that has happened to you in the past, I want you to type the number 1 in chat right now. Damn, guys, BTX just hit 75 fits. Damn it. BTX just hit 76. Oh, my God. All right, look at all these number ones, though. My God. Look at all these number ones. That's why. So this is why we offer all of these things in our membership, because of all of these people that are typing the number 1 in chat. That's why. You know, and I'm sorry that has happened to you guys. I'm sorry that that's happened to you guys. You know, listen, guys, listen. Like I told you, I will always be as straightforward and honest with you as I possibly can be. We are the most transparent and honest group that you guys will find out there. Ask our members; they've been part of different groups too. And the truth is, TTG is a business that operates in a space with one of the worst reputations, but has a bad reputation for good reason. This is an industry where people will say and do anything in order to get you to pay something, and then push you to pay more and more until you have nothing left to pay. Adam and I decided a very long time ago that in order for TTG to grow into something bigger than just a business or a trading group, that we needed to come into this industry and disrupt everything. Every day we eat, breathe, sleep this for our members. And yes, even after you pay your membership fee, we still live, breathe, eat, sleep for you. The members that you guys all see in chat right now, like when you saw all of our members that were commenting, when I was like, hey guys, is this what happens in chat every day? And you saw everybody comment the words yes. They're not paid to be here. They're not incentivized to be here. Okay. They support us because they are doing well with us. They recognize our passion and they show their support. There's close to 1,000 people that are watching right now on all the different social networks. You know, guys, a membership to True Trading Group normally would cost you $2,212 for the year. However, we're currently offering it for just $1,281 for whoever's on this live stream right now. And every day that number goes up by a few bucks. Every day the price of our membership is going up. And why? You might be saying, well, why? Why do you do that? In life, you got to know and you got to understand your worth. And honestly, we know ours is a hell of a lot higher than $1,281. Our price is going to be moving to $2,500 for the year. Yeah, we'll run sales here and there, like $2,250, maybe $2,000. We will have a price match guarantee for someone that joins at a higher price, and then you get and then there's like a major discount a couple of days later or something like that, where we'll credit you guys that difference, when it comes time for your membership to renew. But guys, we know what we're worth, and $2,500 is a fair price for everything that we offer, all the tools and everything that is included with your membership. But we're not going to go there overnight. We're going to walk the price of a membership up a little bit daily. So from tonight until Sunday, you get every single thing that we offer, including a free laptop. The laptops are first come, first serve. Okay, the laptops are first come, first serve. All right, it's a limited supply. But if you guys use the coupon code TTG121, you will be able to get a 42% discount. That brings the price all the way down to just $1,281. But again, Sunday at midnight, that price goes up. Don't wait for like Memorial Day weekend thinking you're going to get some big sale. You're not. The price is going to be more expensive than it is now. Okay, the price is going to be more expensive than it is now. We also offer a money back guarantee. I'm being dead serious. I'm absolutely serious. Anyone that joins our membership and actually tries, if you put in an effort to learn how to do this, I'll offer you a money back guarantee. If you go through all our courses, pass the quizzes at the end of the courses, and attend a private study group, if you do those three things and still don't make back the $1,281, that's the price of a membership for you to join right now. If you don't make that money back at least once through your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I will give you a full refund. That's how confident I am in the platform that we provide and the education that we provide at True Trading Group, that I'm willing to stand behind my product that much. 82% of our members have gone on to become profitable traders. That's the fact. That's why I'm able to offer you guys a money back guarantee. If my members weren't doing well, I wouldn't be able to do that now, would I? I mean, I guess I could, but I'd be an idiot if I did. I'd be an idiot if I did. So guys, use the coupon code TTG121, okay, and get one of those last remaining laptops, guys. I think we only have like 50 of them or so. I think Adam got
Oh God, no. I don't like the way I look big at all.
I do. I like it, man. Don't sell yourself short.
What's going on, guys? This is Adam, the other person he talks about in the script. I just wanted to let you guys know that, or let Mike know that we have 65 left total. After that 65 is done, we are going back to Kindles and tablets for a little while. But that is it. For now. So 65 is the number. If anything changes, I will let you guys know, but 65 is probably it for the foreseeable future. All right. So I mean I know for a fact that's not going to last till Sunday at midnight. So we'll keep you, Michael explain a little bit more about how you're getting it. But 65 is what we have between now and Sunday, and then we are done with the laptops for a bit.
They're probably definitely not going to last till Sunday because, guys, we're doing the giveaway Sunday.
Right.
So literally anyone, if you guys join between now and Saturday night, you're going to get a 42% discount. You're going to get a free laptop, and you're going to get a chance to win a Tesla or $30,000 cash. So everybody knows that giveaway is coming on Sunday. So you're going to get a lot of people that are going to join the group to try to get in before that giveaway. So those laptops are limited, like Adam said. So I would not wait.
Yeah, and that's not like a sales tactic.
Yeah, no, it's just the truth.
we have to buy. Yeah, we have to buy them in bulk in order for it. Because look, Mike said TTG is a business, right? We have to buy those laptops in bulk in order to have it make sense for us with the price of a membership in order to give it away.
Yeah.
So somebody's asking, I just joined with the coupon. How do I know if I got the laptop? The laptop will be in your checkout. In your checkout page, you'll see a picture of a laptop.
You want to show them, Adam, real quick?
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, guys, so when you go to the checkout page, inside your checkout, there will literally be a laptop. That's how you know that they're still in stock. Once we sell out of them, the laptop,
it'll show a Kindle or a tablet or something like that. But here's the laptops. We have 65 of them. That includes, there was like 4 or 5 people that have signed up on the stream so far already. So that includes that is all. I'm taking into account those people as well. So with those people, it's still 65. So you just go to the checkout page, you have to manually enter your coupon code, hit enter. It's going to flash green, and then you'll see the price go from 1990 to 1281. You have to use the coupon code. And then if you see the laptop here, you're getting the laptop. If it's not here, then you're getting whatever is there, whether it's a Kindle or a tablet. Okay. So that's it. So if you've signed up and you saw it in your checkout, you are good to go. We have 65 of them left. All right. That's what it is. Also, Mike mentioned it earlier. That money back guarantee is also everything's on the site. Right on the bottom, right here, explains exactly what it is. No fine print. You are good to go. All right. Cool.
Yeah, cool. Oh wow, guys, VXRT also is making a big move.
All right, I'm gonna go. Bye.
Hey guys, VXRT is also moving higher. VXRT from the list from today, stock just went to $12 after hours. Wow, man, we're getting a lot of action here Friday after hours. Well, little TTG after dark. Well, it's actually still light out, but TTG after hours. Yeah, again, some nice movements. So yeah, guys, make sure you use the coupon code TTG121. You've got to use the code. If you don't use the code, you're going to be paying like $2,000. Use the code. You got to enter coupon code TTG121 and click apply code. That's how you'll get the 42% discount. What do we got here? Happy Glass. My sister joined only a week or 2 ago, and she got her laptop this week. We're in Canada. See, I told you guys, I'm being for real. I'm not kidding. We literally give you guys free stuff. We literally give you guys free stuff. All right. So make sure you guys claim that laptop before they run out. All right. Let's get into the weekly recap here now, guys. By the way, BTX just hit 78. For those that are keeping track. No, Lindsay Simmons. That's actually a great question. Says, is renewing the membership at full price? No. When you guys join True Trading Group, you are locking in that price for yourself. So next year, our membership will be up to 2,500 because we're moving our membership up to 2,500. It's going to go up. Our membership is going to go up a little bit every single day until we get to 2,500. So by next year, when it comes time for your membership to renew, our membership will be $2,500. And if we have like a sale for a holiday or something, maybe it's $2,000 or 2,200 or something like that. But if you today paid $1,281, when your membership renews next year, you will renew at the price you paid. So you won't renew at 2,500. You'll renew at $1,281. All right, guys. $79 for BTX. All right, let's get into the weekly. Wait. I don't think I have my thing yet. Let me hold on 1 second here, guys. Let me open up another web browser so I can pull up my presentation for you guys. And away we go. All right, guys, I'm going to share my screen. The little presentation I've got for you guys to kind of recap the end of the week here. This is downloadable. You guys there is a link in the description below. You can click on that. You can download a PDF version of this presentation. And let's get down to business. Let's go. Here we go. Stock market and trading recap. Another red day in the markets. S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, all trading lower. All right. Today was, I felt weakness in today's market with the gap down. Yesterday, we had a massive rally in the afternoon. And today we gapped down and gave back the entire rally. That to me was a sign of weakness. I came into the day telling everybody that one of my main ideas today was going to be SPY put options. And we nailed it. We nailed the SPY put options today. Nailed it. I think 23% gain on some SPY put options today, intraday, on the back of that. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Despite strong earnings from Amazon, tech actually was pretty weak today. Apple got hit with some antitrust charges in Europe. Energy also played its part in the move lower Friday. Chevron fell after reporting an adjusted EPS decline. And despite beating estimates, Exxon also fell. So you kind of had an overall just drag on the markets today. Employment costs rose more than expected in Q1. Okay, amid a boost in wages. Personal income jumped 21% in March versus February. That's not surprising. And then personal spending also increased more than expected. So that was also expected as well. So I told you guys I thought we were going to get very strong personal income numbers and very strong personal spending numbers. I keep telling you guys, the U.S. consumers cashed up out of their mind. We literally took a cargo plane and just flew it across the country and dropped trillions of dollars in cash into people's hands. The latest round of stimulus, it just went to everybody. It went to so many people that didn't need it. I personally know a very large amount of people that did not need another stimulus check at all, and they got like 4 of them. The husband gets one, the wife gets one, they get some for their kids, and as a family, they didn't need it. They didn't need it at all. I actually know one family that got their stimulus checks. They didn't know what to do with the cash, so they redid their kitchen. That's not the point of a stimulus check, but that's what happened. And that excess cash is just sitting in the hands of a U.S. consumer. Obviously, there's a lot of people that need it, but the point is that I'm saying is that a lot of people got it that didn't need it, and that leaves you with a U.S. consumer that is ready to spend. They're ready to go out. They're ready to do things. They've been stuck at home for a year and a half. They haven't gone away. They haven't gone on vacation. They haven't traveled. They haven't been going out to eat. They haven't been going shopping. They haven't been doing all of these things. And now they're cashed up. Weather's getting nice. Cases are going down. Vaccinations are going up, and they're ready to get out there and get back to life. And they're going to spend and spend and spend and spend, especially after saving for the last year, because people are saved on gas. They were working from home. They weren't driving to work. You save on gas right there. You save on gas. You save on tolls. You save on going out to eat dinner and going out to get drinks because you're not going to a bar. You're not going to a restaurant for the last year. So saving rates are up, and cash is up. Personal income is up. Personal income jumped 21% from February to March. That's crazy. Okay, so get ready for more personal spending numbers to continue to improve. Why are markets doing this right now? Strong earnings, good guidance, but why aren't markets pushing higher? Guys, the markets have come a really long way in a short period of time. Strong economic data may already be reflected in the market. And is this profit taking or is it something more? I think you're starting to get, well, the economy is doing really well. That's great. But does that mean inflation will come sooner? And the market's just taking a little bit of a pause. As they kind of digest earnings and the economic data while still wondering, what does this mean for inflation? Coronavirus cases remain a concern internationally. Okay. Biden is going to be banning travel to the U.S. from India. Restrictions take effect May 4th. Okay. The 7-day average in the U.S. cases remains lower. More than 100 million Americans are now fully vaccinated. The head of the CDC was optimistic about New York's reopening in July. Great news. Still more earnings ahead of the start of May. What about small caps and crypto? Last small caps and crypto started heating up. This week's been a little mixed. Okay, but you are getting some small cap action in, like, obviously the BTXs of the world, MVIS, VXRTs trading well. Small caps cooled off at the end of the week. Okay, and then you had BTX give you the big short squeeze, which is taking place right now as we are talking. As I'm talking to you guys live, you had this thing went up to all the way 79. Okay. Cryptocurrencies are starting to heat back up again. Bitcoin, Litecoin, they all rallied to 1 week highs. Ethereum actually hit a new all-time high. And yes, Dogecoin is back over $30. Okay. Yes, Dogecoin's back over $30. Will April showers bring May flowers for higher risk assets? We will
30 cents. 30 cents.
What did I say?
$30 twice.
Well, it's definitely not at $30, guys.
I'm holding like $7,000 of it. If it was at $30, we would buy the TTG jet. Bye.
Well, it's definitely not at $30. It's definitely not going to $30. For everyone that's out there, you guys have to understand that Doge, the float will always continue to get bigger. You have never-ending dilution with Doge. It's very different from Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a finite number of coins that can be mined. So eventually there will be no more Bitcoin added to the supply. And as demand increases, the only way for demand, supply and demand, it's basic economics. It's economics 101, supply and demand. When there's a finite number of supply and demand increases, you can't increase supply to meet the demand. So therefore the price of the supply must go higher in order as the demand increases. Dogecoin is actually developed to where it'll always produce more. And that just means never-ending dilution to eventually satisfy the demand, which will eventually cool off. So if you want to trade Dogecoin, trade the ever-living hell out of it. Okay, trade the ever-living hell out of it. But I don't advise it as a long-term investment. That is my opinion. It is very, very different from Bitcoin, guys. Very, very, very different from Bitcoin. All right. Okay. So that is the recap of the week. Now I want to get into why the hell I'm so frustrated today. I want to get into why I was so frustrated today. Let me actually shut this down. Okay. I want to talk to you guys about why I'm frustrated. Because there's something that I do every single day in chat. First, let me explain to you guys that in True Trading Group, we label and identify all of our trade alerts for traders of different skill levels. So when we call out trades in chat, all the moderators, the trades will be identified as either novice, intermediate, or advanced. Okay, novice, intermediate, or advanced. These labelings are there to let you know the level of volatility and therefore risk associated with the trade. Okay, a novice level trade will be very low volatility. An intermediate level trade will be a mid-level volatility. An advanced level trade is going to be extreme high volatility. Stocks that move around very quickly and halt are going to be advanced level trades. A Tesla option will be an advanced level trade. In a complex option trade, like a credit spread or a condor, a straddle, that'll be an advanced level trade. A traditional day trade or a regular put or call option or a short will be an intermediate trade. A swing trade on a stock or a long-term hold, a long-term portfolio position will be a novice trade. We do this specifically because we actually give a shit. Okay? People that are in True Trading Group are of all different experience levels. You have some people that have literally no idea what they're doing. They've never traded a stock a day in their life, and they want to learn how. Then you have people that have been doing this for 25 years, and you have everything in between. There's a lot of people that do not understand that every stock does not carry the same level of risk. Every trade does not carry the same level of risk. Some stocks move faster than others. Some stocks, you have the potential of a halt. Okay. And I want to make sure that you are always aware of the risk associated with a particular trade. That's why we do this. I come on the microphone before I enter a trade. That's going to be an advanced level trade, like a BTX. And I say, guys, this is an advanced level trade. This is going to be extremely volatile. This is going to be a stock that could drop $5 in the blink of an eye and halt. Don't even think about trading this stock if you don't have hotkeys. Hotkeys means I can buy or sell with one stroke of my keyboard. I don't have to enter my order and click through a bunch of times and confirm order and type it in with my mouse. It'll take you 30, 40 seconds for you to enter your order. I can do it with literally, ready? That's it. I just entered a trade. That's what I can do with a hotkey. All right, you ready? You want me to buy stock? I just bought it. You want me to sell it? I just sold it. That's how fast I can trade when I have hotkeys. When you're trading a stock like BTX that moves literally, as you've seen after hours, $10 within 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you need to react and be able to place your orders quickly. So the reason why I'm so frustrated here today when we initially started this live stream was because I said this in chat. My teaching members, you guys can verify this. I must have said in chat, I traded BTX a few times today. And there's a lot of people that are following me on the trade, and I can tell by someone's question if they're an experienced trader or not. And I had a lot of people that were asking me questions about the BTX trade that I can tell right away that they're an extremely novice trader, and it really got me worried. It really got me worried when I see a novice person that really doesn't know what they're doing get involved in a stock like BTX, because it's very dangerous. But with that extra risk comes tremendous upside potential. Guys, this stock closed at $50. It's now at $75. Like, that's insane reward. But with that reward comes extra risk. And novice traders don't understand that. So even though I come on the microphone and I give these warnings, you go, guys, this is an advanced level trade. It's going to be extremely volatile. Okay. You need hotkeys. It could halt on you. Make sure you adjust your position size. You got to understand how fast the stock is going to move. The stock can drop $5 in the blink of an eye. Your position size has to be adjusted to account for that. Even though I say that 100 times, BTX makes a move, it halts. And then all of a sudden, the comments in chat will start. Oh my God. What just happened? What's going on? Why is the stock not trading? What do you mean, why is the stock not? I literally just said 5-10 times that this is the kind of stock that could pop or drop $5-6 and halt instantly. Instantly. So you need to be able to react that quickly. You need to be able to get in, get out that quickly, which is why I said, if you don't have hotkeys, do not trade BTX. You will get stuck in the hole because there's no possible way, unless you have hotkeys or hot buttons, that you can get out or into a stock that's moving that quickly before it halts. It's not physically possible. Even though I say that 100 times, people still get into the stock that don't have hotkeys. People still get into the stock that don't set stop losses. They get into the stock that they don't adjust their position size, and they get hurt. And this really bothers me. This really bothers me. Guys, because I care, I don't want my members to get hurt. I don't want my members to lose money. I want my members to be able to understand setups, understand risk reward, put themselves in good quality positions, control the risk, and make money on a consistent basis. If I didn't care, it would not matter to me if you made money today. I wouldn't care. But I do, which is why I get frustrated when people do not listen to the warnings that we are giving. You have to understand a stock like BTX is not for a beginner trader. If it takes you 30 seconds, 40 seconds to enter your trade, you can't touch a stock like BTX. Okay? I give a shit. The moderators give a shit. Adam gives a shit. That's why I'm on here talking to you guys about this. I do everything that I can to help to help you guys, but sometimes people still just don't listen, and it's frustrating. It's frustrating, more for me because it's avoidable. It's avoidable. You just have to understand the difference in the risk reward on these types of trades. You just have to understand how to manage your risk. You have to understand when is it time for you to take a much smaller position size. When is it time for you to just completely sit a trade out? When is it time for you to just be a spectator and learn? When is it time for you to get in there and get your hands dirty and roll up your sleeves and take a shot? You just have to understand it. And that's why we label our trades as novice, intermediate, advanced. That's why I come on the microphone and I will give these warnings to help people that do not have the capabilities to move and react to this quickly, to protect you guys from getting yourselves into dangerous situations that you do not have the discipline or the risk management to be in yet. You will. There's like Judy's trading BTX right now. A year ago, Judy would never touch a stock like BTX. You'll learn. You'll learn how to trade these things the right way, in a controlled way. You'll learn, but it's all part of the process, and that's why I was frustrated today. That's why I was frustrated today. So again, it was nothing personal. Don't take my tone and everything. It's just because I care, guys. That's it. It's just because I care. I want to do everything. There's a reason why we say welcome to the family when you guys join. I wouldn't want my sister to get into a dangerous situation and for her to lose money just because she didn't understand the risk that she was putting herself in. I wouldn't want that to happen to my sister. I don't want that to happen to any one of you guys. All right. So there you have it, folks. There you have it. All right. So that's it, gang. That's all she wrote. All right. Let me just take a quick, I want to take you guys real quick over to the charts real quick. And I just want to go over just a couple of real quick things with you, and then we're going to break for the weekend. So for this, guys, let's just go ahead and take things over to the charts real quick. And Adam is singing in the other office. I don't know if you guys can hear him or not, but Adam is singing. So real quick, guys, let's talk about the SPY. I want to show you guys this setup here on the SPY that we are paying very close attention to here in TTG, and that is this support level at 416.50. I want you guys to pay very close attention to this level at 416.50. This is a 15-minute chart. All right, this is a 15-minute chart just so you guys can see it more clearly. And this level was established, 2 weeks ago. This level was established 2 weeks ago when you had the gap down right there on the 19th. The gap down on the 19th created a gap. And this is your gap entry, which is right around 416.50, 416.60. Okay, that's what created the gap. Then we rallied ourselves back up to that level. And this is when Biden announced the capital gains tax increase on high earners. The market dumped when Biden announced that that your high tax rate could be 43.4% capital gains tax. And that established a double top. Okay. Then the next day, we actually broke through that level. And then what you will see start to form is a level that was previously resistance, okay, then starts to become support. Okay, then it starts to become support. This is a very important level for the SPY. Okay, this is a very important level for the SPY. Now, what I did today, okay, what I did today was I bought put options. I bought put options. Oh, well, let me actually go to a shorter time frame so you guys can see the charts a little better. This is a 5-minute chart. I bought put options right. I'll go to a 3-minute chart. I don't know why I'm on a 5. I bought put options right there on the SPY. Okay, so right there is where I bought the put options, and then we rolled ourselves down towards that level, and we were taking profits off where? In front of this level. Okay, in front of this level, because this is your support. And we later went on later in the day and we tested it not once, not twice, but 3 times. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, and it held. You have to pay very close attention to this level. On Sunday, okay, we're going to check to see where the futures market opens. Okay, do we gap up? Okay, on Sunday on the futures, and then look for a continued bounce off this level going into Monday, or come Monday, do we open down here? If we open anywhere down here on Monday, I'm telling you guys all this now, I will be buying put options on Monday if we open below 416.50. Okay, so now listen, I'm telling you all my entire plan for Monday now. If we gap below 416.50 on Monday, my number one trade idea that day will be SPY put options. And I'm going to look for us to get down to about 414. Okay, I'm going to look for us to get down to about 414. Okay. So I wanted to go over this with you guys. This is a very, 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 very key level in the SPY. It's a very key level in the SPY. My personal thoughts, if you said to me, Mike, gun to your head, pick one, I think we break this level and go lower. Okay, I think that this is a topping type of pattern. Okay, and I think if this level breaks, I think you can get, we go back down, we can go back down and start to get back into this 410 level. That was previous support. I think we can get back down into that area, and that'll be a nice trade. I mean, you're talking if we can catch like 6 or 7 points to the downside, that could be a monster trade on the SPY, and it will still be in healthy shape after experiencing a small pullback. And I would read this as like this would be like a failed new high. Like this candle. See how it's like kind of just like out all there like by itself, and then you have this like this to me is a bearish candle pattern. Like that to me is a bearish candle formation. That to me is a bearish candle formation. I think we gap below this level or pretty damn near close to it Monday. And I think next week we trade through these levels. Okay. And I think we go back down and test this area. All right. So we'll talk about it on Sunday. We got a lot to go over on Sunday. Okay. Sunday, remember guys, don't forget, Sunday is the $80,000 giveaway. We're giving away 30 grand or a Tesla to one lucky annual member. We're giving away $50,000 or a Porsche to one lucky lifetime member. All right. So don't forget, that is this Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, live right here on this YouTube channel. Guys, listen, it's my goal on all of these live streams to make sure that you find value and truly get something out of all of these lives. And I want to know if you guys did here today. Go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now if you guys learned something and got value out of this live stream. Maybe it was enjoying the live analysis on BTX, calling out the trade opportunity on BTX. Maybe it was identifying this SPY level or explaining to you guys about the different volatility and the different risks associated. I want you guys to go ahead right now and type that number 1 in chat if you got value out of this live stream. And if you did, make sure you go and smash that like button here right now, guys. Turn that thumb blue. Show me how much you appreciate these lives. Look at all those number ones, man. You guys are awesome. Look at all those number ones. Absolutely awesome. Awesome. Beautiful. It makes me feel good, guys. Thank you. All right, now next, but I want to know who here is not a member of True Trading Group. If you guys are still on this live stream and you're not a member of True Trading Group, type the letters TTG. Type the letters TTG in chat right now if you're not a member of True Trading Group. We got Nick Gubb, Janika B, Jacob Davis, CR, Mockingbird. Oh, Nick Joe. Oh, Nick, you just hopped. Dude, Nick, you missed the whole stream, man. I'm glad Nick Gubbs, first time here. I'm glad you're here, Nick. I'm glad you're here, man. Subscribe to the channel. We're always doing these lives. I give out free lessons and free education on trading, guys. Oh, we got Caleb Tarnowski just joined today. Everybody give a big warm welcome to Caleb. Caleb, welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. How do you get your free laptop, Caleb? On the bottom right of our website is a little blue support chat icon. Click it. You'll be able to fill out your information so we can mail you your free laptop. All right, we got, let's see, who else? Alfredo, we got Ricardo, we got Giordano, Steve Pierre, Sorab. Nice. Jacob Davis says, I will be a member. Jacob, I look forward to training with you, brother. We got Paramal Patel. Nice, guys. We got a lot of non-TTG members that are here with us today. Listen, for all of you that are typing the letters TTG in chat, listen carefully, because I know everybody has goals, with wanting to become a trader, and it's important for you guys to understand that no one's going to do the work for you. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You're going to learn a new skill just like you would learn any other skill. Trading is no different. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You got to be willing to put in some time, energy, and effort behind it. And no one's going to do the work for you. You have to be willing to do it. It all starts, though, with getting the right education, having access to the right tools, and being part of the right community that's going to help you to learn, trade, and profit. Guys, that's what True Trading Group is all about. That's what Trading Group is all about. I told you, a one-year membership would normally cost $2,212, but from now until midnight on Sunday, you can get a 42% discount. It brings the price all the way down to just $1,281 and get a free laptop while supplies still last. I think Adam said we had like 60 laptops between now and Sunday night. They will not last until Sunday night because anyone that joins by Saturday at midnight will be included in the Tesla $30,000 giveaway on Sunday. So we're going to get all these people, you're going to get a ton of people that are going to sign up for a membership between now and then, just because they want themselves to have a chance to win the $30,000. So those laptops are going to go. All right. They are first come, first serve. The offer expires, like I said, midnight on Sunday. There are no upsells in True Trading Group, guys. There's no add-ons. You don't ever have to pay extra for anything. You pay one price. You get access to every single thing we have, including me, including our moderators. Okay. I want you to think of True Trading Group as the Netflix of trading communities. Okay. You pay one price, you get access to everything. As a member of True Trading Group, included with your membership comes Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. This is a real-time news feed right inside of our chat room, gives you live breaking to the second news alerts. This thing is so invaluable. Me, my mods, my members, we all use this on a daily basis. It also comes with a squawk box feature. You can turn on your speakers and listen to the news as someone reads them as your news headlines come across the wire. You get Coach Stream's real-time level 1 and real-time full book level 2 with options data. You get a trade idea scanner, shows you stocks making new highs, stocks with unusual volume, top gainers, shows you the best stocks for you to be trading. You also get Trading Views Pro charting software. This is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. You also get a trade simulator that lets you guys trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. All of this stuff is included with your membership. There's no extra fee or anything that you have to pay for it. You also get at least 10 easy-to-follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders with about 83% win rate collectively. Okay, we're fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks all of our trades. Every buy and every single sell that our moderators make are right there on our website in our trading journal for you all to see. You're then going to get access to a small private study group with a teaching moderator. This is your time to ask questions and go over lessons and topics that you need help with. You're going to get our entire curriculum. That's a 15-course curriculum, okay, that includes it's basically a simplified version of the stuff that I learned when I was working at the fund. Like I told you, they made me go through a training program before I touch a dollar of their money. This is a simplified version of it. You're getting all the courses. There's no special VIP courses that cost more money. All of our courses, 15-course curriculum, beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology. Guys, you name it, we've got it in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then on top of the courses is a video library that has over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are different workshops and webinars that we do live with our members. We record them and we put them in the video library for people to view later. Some topics we've covered is like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger, just to name a couple. All this is there for you. Like it's the resources available to you as a member is actually insane. The value that you are getting is insane. Let me explain something to you. Let me put this into perspective because you can all join right now and pay $12.81 for the entire year and get access to everything I'm saying. But that Benzinga newsfeed alone, if you paid for that on your own and were not a member of True Trading Group, Benzinga is going to charge you $1,188 a year. Quote Stream charges $990 a year for the full book level 2. The Trade Simulator from ETNA is $750 a year, and TradingView charges $720 a year for their charting software. Well, guess what? All 4 of those things are included for free with your membership when you use coupon code TTG121 and only pay $12.81. But those 4 tools, if you paid for them on your own, would cost you $3,648 for the year. This is what I mean by the value you get as a member is actually insane. But you guys have to act now. I'm telling you, I'm literally sitting here telling you the price of our membership is going to go up every single day as we move our price to $2,500 for the year. Do not wait for Memorial Day weekend. It will not be cheaper. Okay, we are moving our price to up over $2,000. That's still cheaper than our competition, and we're giving you guys 10 times the value. Our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. In order to do that, we've got to provide you with insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. I'm not kidding. This isn't a sales gimmick. We will be back to $2,500 sooner than you think. If you lock in $12.81 today, you are locking that price in for life. So even if our membership is $2,500 next year, on April 30th, 2022, you will still only pay $12.81 to renew your membership. You will not pay $2,500. So you're saving 42% today. You're saving over 50% a year from now. Okay? Guys, my TG fam, I want to know, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you think a membership is worth? What do you guys think if you're a member of True Trading Group, what do you think a membership is worth? Give me your honest opinion on what you think a membership to True Trading Group is worth. Jeff Daddy, 3,500. Jeffrey, 5,000. Silver Grave, $9,999.99. Javin Jenkins, 15K. Red Hand, 10K. Maria Marone, at least 5K. Rupesh, 5K. Phantom's Edge, 6,900. Yatradio Kumar, 10K easy, bro. Kawakawa, 5K. Ghost with the most, 5,000. Sky Burst says priceless. Alex says it's worth the college tuition. Marcy Gomez says at least 30,000. I assume you mean 3,000, but it says 30,000. That's a hell of a lot of money. Chris K9 says priceless. Wild Child says it's worth 10 times what I paid. Zun says it's worth over 6,000. Lenore Adendal says, I used to be scared to say it, but now I'll say it. $10,000. Wow. Dennis says $4,000 to $5,000 a year is reasonable in my opinion. The actual value is priceless. Saring Kunsal says $6,000. Pavan Kumar says $6,000. Tony Cepeda says way more than 2,500. That is for sure. Steve Schmeltzel says I'd pay $1,000 a month. Okay. Glenn Wilson says, I am only a member. I say what I want, which is the truth. Mike, $8,000. Diane Fig says priceless. Matt Swenson says 10 grand if you use it. Maria Hart says priceless. You guys get the point.
Mike, we're going to 2,500. Like, or if people are going to pay like $1,000 a month, let's go there on Sunday. You know, Daddy needs a new Ferrari. I'm joking. I'm just saying it's a lot of shekels, you know? All right. It's stupid value what we're giving here, you know? Honestly, guys, I want to put it to 2,500 like yesterday. Mike is the one holding me off from putting it there. So that is exactly what's going on. We know exactly what other groups charge. We know exactly what other groups charge. We know exactly what they offer. We've done our industry research just like they've done on us. I'm sure you will not find another group that's even comparable. That's it. You know, it's not even a matter of providing. I mean, it's just so much.
Yo, I gotta say, Adam, I'm gonna tell you real quick. Our boy Ressi just commented. He goes, "Yo, it's not even fair how low the cost is." I don't know if you saw, Adam. Ressi actually just left us a really, really nice review on Trustpilot. I think yesterday. He's actually a recent new member. He's a recent new member.
Oh yeah, he did.
I think I commented on Twitter to you too.
Hang on. Go ahead, Michael.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Is he the most recent review?
Yes, that's it.
Oh,
see,
nice.
look,
It's
Ressi.
Ressi.
Placentia.
Yep. Guys, I encourage you to check this out on Trustpilot too. We are 5-star rated with almost 1,100 reviews. Literally 1,100 people have taken the time to write us a review on Trustpilot. I encourage you to go read them. So Ressi just commented yesterday on our Trustpilot. Ressi, I appreciate you, bro, for writing a review for us. On Sunday, 5/2, will be 2 weeks since I discovered TTG on a live stream. 2 days later, I became a member. I haven't missed a single live stream. I'm in chat every day listening and learning. I'm taking the educational courses on the portal on my way to becoming TTG certified. I am fully invested in learning and building a solid foundation that will lead me to becoming a long-term profitable trader. If you want to make trading a career or just be a good trader investor, TTG is the place. All day, every day is nonstop learning. The cost of the membership is nothing compared to how much you get in return. I honestly cannot understand how something so real with value of over 1,000% its cost can be so inexpensive. It's incredible. Not to mention the TTG team. These guys are guys just like any of us. It's a real honor to be part of the TTG family. I feel blessed to be a part of it. People always want a winning trade. The scoop here is one. If you want a winning trade, buy the TTG membership as a long-term investment. Will be the best investment you will ever make. Ressi, thank you, brother. Thank you very much. I really appreciate the review. And I'm happy to have you as part of the team. I'm really happy to have you as part of the team. And I look forward to trading with you for a long time coming, man. Look forward to trading with you for a long time coming. So guys, like I said, I really do. I encourage you all to go read our reviews on Trustpilot. 1,071 people have written us a review. I encourage you to go read some of them. All right. Guys, like I said, we always give back to all of our members too. You know, don't forget this Sunday is giveaway day. Every time we get 300 new members, we give away a free Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash. That's happening this Sunday. Also, whenever we get 150 new lifetime members, we give away either $50,000 or a brand new Porsche. That's also happening this Sunday. So this Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, 80 grand Porsche Tesla. We're giving it away. All you need to do to be included in the Tesla $30,000 raffle is be a member of True Trading Group by Saturday at midnight. At 12:01 a.m. Sunday morning, the raffle is closed. Okay? We literally pull the data list of all of our members as of midnight on Saturday. So you guys got to be a member by then, so your name will be included in the drawing, and you'll have a chance to win $30,000 or a brand new Tesla. If you're a lifetime member by Saturday at midnight, you will be eligible for the $50,000 giveaway or a brand new Porsche. The choice is yours. You can pick. The winner picks cash or the car. We have not yet had anyone take the car. Literally, everyone has taken the cash. Everyone's taking the cash. All right. So, guys, use coupon code TGD121. Okay. Lock in the 42% discount. Lock in the $1,281 price point. Get the free laptop. Remember, the free laptops are limited. They're first come, first serve. Okay. But anyone that uses coupon code TTG121, you're going to get the $1,281 price point. That's 42% off. You're going to get a brand new free laptop and a chance to win 30 grand. Can't beat that. Okay. To claim your laptop after you sign up, on the bottom right of our website is a little blue support icon. Click on that. Okay. Enter your info so we can mail you the laptop. They are limited. They're first come, first serve. Do not wait around. As long as you see a laptop in your checkout, when you're on the checkout page, if you see the laptop, that means we still have them in stock. Once they are out of stock, you will not see a laptop. You'll see like an Amazon Kindle. Okay. And then don't forget, guys, the money back guarantee. I'm being serious. I challenge all of you. Okay. I've actually have had, I think Lynn have signed up the True Trading Group just to prove me wrong. And it turns out that I was right. Meaning that if she went through all the courses, passed all the quizzes, and attended a study group, that I thought she can go and become a profitable trader. And I was right. I hope she's on this live stream right now too. I hope she's on the live stream. I don't know if she is. Oh, Matt Barrett just joined, guys. Matt Barrett. Everyone give a big warm welcome to Matt Barrett. He just joined the TGD family. So yeah, guys, I'm being dead serious though. Anyone that is willing to put in a little bit of work, like if you're willing to try to really learn this skill, because I'm telling you, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not. You've got to be willing to learn a new skill. Okay. If you're not willing to do that, sign off the live stream. Seriously, I'm not going to waste your time. Don't listen to me talk anymore because I don't have like this secret that unlocks the key. I don't have a secret pattern that I'm going to tell you guys that Wall Street doesn't want the little guy to know. There is no secret to trading. The secret is you just have to get a real education and stop looking for a secret. The secret is there is no secret. Get an education. Stop looking to cut corners. Stop looking to get rich quick. Learn how to truly do this. That's the secret. And I'm so confident that if you learn the right way, the TTG way, that this can work for you. And I'm so confident in that because 82% of our members have gone on to become profitable traders. That's why I'm so confident to do this. That's why I stand behind my platform. I stand behind my education. So if you're willing to do those three things and put in a little bit of effort, if you don't make back $1,281 at least once through your membership, I'll give you your money back. I'll give you a full refund. I don't know how many other places would be willing to do that. So now I challenge you guys, prove me wrong. Try to prove me wrong. Because it's a win-win for you. If you sign up, you get to and prove me wrong. You get to be like, see, Mike, I knew you were full of shit. You're going to get your money back, and you're also going to have a free laptop. So that's a win for you. The other scenario would be you sign up, I prove you wrong, you become profitable, and now you're a profitable trader, and you still have a free laptop. Well, that's a win for you. You want to challenge me? I challenge you. The money back guarantee is there. The free laptop is there. The 42% discount is there. The Tesla $30,000 giveaway is there. What's not going to be there for much longer is the $1281 price point. The choice is yours if you guys want to join the team now. Use coupon code TTG121 before midnight on Sunday to get the 42% discount. I will see you guys this Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern for that Tesla Porsche $30,000, $50,000 giveaway. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys all here on Sunday. Later, everybody.